Another video. Today we'll be looking at electricity and chemistry, basically electrolysis. We'll be looking at their definition and concept for CAI chemistry IGCSE. Let's start. The anode. The anode is the positive electrode. It is where the negatively charged ions lose electrons in oxidation reactions, which means that oxidation occurs at the anode. It is the electrode where oxygen is produced unless the solution contains a halide ion. Then the halogen is produced. At the cathode, it is the negative electrode. It is where positively charged ions gain electrons in reduction reactions, which means that reduction happens at the cathode. It is the electrode where hydrogen is produced if the metal in the electrolyte is more reactive than hydrogen. If it's less reactive than hydrogen, then that metal will be produced. A chemical cell. A cell which converts chemical energy to electrical energy. They are made up of two metal electrodes connected by an electrode. The two metal electrodes are cathode and anode. They can be made up of graphite or platinum. The cell produces a voltage until one of the reactants is used up. The electrode is a solid conductive metal material through which electricity can flow. Positive and negative electrodes are used in electrolysis to conduct electricity. The positive electrode is the anode and the negative electrode is the cathode, as discussed. Looking at the main definition for electrolysis. Electrolysis is the splitting up of an ionic compound using electricity. The electric current is passed through a substance causing chemical reactions at the electrode, which lead to the decomposition of the materials. So in your exams, instead of memorizing this long definition, you can also use electrolysis, that is the breakdown of ionic compounds, molten or aqueous solutions through the use of electricity, and you get your marks. Electrolyte is the solution containing free ions from a molten or aqueous ionic substance. The ions are free to move to carry charge. Electroplating is the process of coating a metal with a thin layer of another metal by electrolysis to improve the metal's corrosion resistance or to improve the metal's appearance. Inert means unreactive. Inert electrodes are used in electrolysis to prevent the electrode material affecting the reactions. And yes, that will be all for today's video. I will be doing questions on these, so make sure to like, share, subscribe for new videos. Till then, ta-da.